Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn English Through Novels and Tales. If you love stories, learning English, and exploring new ideas, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the like button if you enjoy the content. Your support helps us grow and bring you even more exciting videos. Let's dive into today's story. The Curious Cat. Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful village, there lived a curious cat named Max. Max was not like other cats. While they enjoyed sleeping in the sun or chasing mice, Max loved exploring new places and learning about the world. One sunny morning, Max saw a colorful butterfly fluttering near the garden. What a beautiful creature, Max thought. The butterfly flew over the fence, and Max decided to follow it. He jumped over the fence and found himself in a big open field filled with flowers. Max walked slowly, sniffing the fresh air. Suddenly, he heard a strange noise. It sounded like water splashing. Curious as always, Max followed the sound and found a sparkling stream. At the stream, Max met a friendly frog named Freddy. "Hello, cat," said Freddy. "What brings you here?" "I'm exploring," replied Max. "This is a beautiful place." "Would you like to learn something new?" Freddy asked. Max's eyes lit up. "Of course," he said. Freddy taught Max how frogs catch insects with their long, sticky tongues. Max tried to catch a leaf with his paw, pretending to be a frog. They both laughed. As the sun began to set, Max thanked Freddy and headed back home. He was tired, but happy. Max had learned something new and made a friend. From that day on, Max visited the stream often. He met other animals and learned about their lives. Max's curiosity made every day an adventure. Vocabulary: focus, curious, wanting to know more, fluttering, moving quickly like a butterfly's wings, sparkling, shining with small flashes of light, sniffing, smelling something, adventure, an exciting experience. Questions for practice. 1. What did Max see in the garden? 2. Who did Max meet at the stream? 3. Why did Max enjoy exploring? Comment the answer.